Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Discord guild server. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Discord app. And once you're in here, go to your server. All right. Make sure you own the server. And once done, go ahead and open up these settings. All right. Usually when you right click on your server, you will see a server setting. All right. In here, you should be able to see guild or guild settings. Another option is by going to the top left right here and click on the drop down. Now go ahead and click on server settings. Once done, you should be able to see guild here as well. And as we all know, guild is still an experiment or an experimental feature. It is only available to a select number of servers. Okay. Now you will know that you're invited if you can see this particular button. All right. That says check it out. All right. And there is a tag that says exclusive invite. Now, what you would need to do is just go ahead and click on check it out. Now go ahead and select the game that you would want to play with your guild and also select play style. All right. It could be very casual right here, casual, competitive, and very competitive. Now just hit on next. Now you're going to want to pick the target audience. Now, once that's done, just hit on next. And here, just go ahead and tell people what your guild talks about. Also, you can go ahead and write a description for your guild. Just hit on next. Now in here, go ahead and select your guild tag or badge. Okay, once done, you can go ahead and customize the theme of your guild, okay, and also the banner, just like this one. And after that, you can go ahead and add in some questions. For example, why do you want to join our guild? And after that, just hit on next. Now, once you hit on next, you just created your guild on Discord. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.